Welcome to Katyan channel. The Nationals never led in the game, trailing by as many as 18 points early, but once again showed resiliency by tying the contest at 31 in the second quarter. Finland, though, closed the period with a 20-11 spurt and kept its gap against the Philippines until the final buzzer. Miralil had 15 points, including a layup with 23.3 seconds left to give Finland an 87-79 lead that proved to be enough after the Philippines mounted a late comeback attempt. The lost came just a day after Gilas fell to Estonia 81-71 last Tuesday. Dwight Ramos led Gilas in scoring with 15 points, while Justin Brownlee had 11 points after he missed the later part of the Estonia game due to cramps at the close of their two-game set in Estonia. Scotty Thompson, who missed the Estonia game due to back spasms, had 10 points, including a late three that settled the final score. Three-point shooting was once again suspect for Gilas Pilinas, making just 5 of its 14 shots, in contrast to Finland, which made 13. Now let's continue watching the highlights.
Nice cut right! Nice cut right! Woo! Nice! Woo! Go Red! Ay, tumakbo! Ayun lang. Hoy, tinamaan. Ayun lang. Yeah. Patay ka! Ayay ka! Ayay ka! Ayay ka! Ayay ka! Ayay ka! Ayan yun! Patay na. Pagdan mo noon. Yun lang. Ay, pinabayaan. Nice! Oh yeah. Takbo CJ! Nice ka CJ! Ayan na, Ferdy. Ayan na. Pakita mo kung sino ka. Ayan na nga. Baba. Depensa. Go, JB. Nice ka. Defense. Ay, yun lang.